everyone, welcome back to Alleyways, or if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and if you haven't already, please make sure to join the Alleyways family, subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on post notifications. Doing all those things helps me so much, and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, I promised I would do another holiday gift idea Disney edition for you guys this year. I know everybody's super busy this time of year, so let's make it quick and get right to it. Okay, fam, so for these first few, you are going to need a Sam's Club membership. If you don't have one, find a friend. You can use it online. Free shipping. These are great for Disney lovers like me and all our people here on the fam. Number one item that I'm going to suggest is this one here. It is the delicious Disney Walt Disney World recipes and stories from the most magical place on earth. Now, if you're like me and you love the food at Disney, but you can't be there all the time, this is a really great way to give somebody a piece of the magic that they can keep at home with them all year, and also could be a really fun project for your family, picking out recipes that you want to try and recreating them at home, comparing them to the parks. It just, like I said, kind of keeps your Disney spirit alive when you can't be there. I think this would be so much fun, and I really hope somebody gets it for me for Christmas. Up next, we have this as our next selection. This is the Ultimate Princess box set of 12 Little Golden Books Disney Princess Edition. Now, my niece loves reading. I love giving books. I have books that my grandmother gave me, my parents gave me. I love to sign a personal message in the front. And I don't know, there's something about little golden books that are so nostalgic. This is affordable, it's easy, it's something that you can, you know, do with your niece, your nephew, your grandchild, your child, your friend, that is just unplugged and together and sweet. It's a good memory that they can have, and it's also beautiful to display. I tried to pick gifts with a range of prices as well. I just thought this was something that my niece would love, and you guys might know somebody that would love it as well. Okay, not gonna lie, this next piece is something else that I actually already got for Evangeline. I bought this when I was in a Sam's Club, and they had this on an insane sale. It's still on a crazy sale. They have the most gorgeous Disney girls Disney prestige gowns. Just check the website. This one is the Tiana one. It's $9.91. It's an incredible price. The detail on these is beautiful, you guys. We bought like every character because they were $10, so we're all going to give her one. We're going to have her a little princess boutique set up. I'm really excited about it. This is a great gift. Easy, affordable. Sam's Club, I believe, has free shipping, and usually they're very quick. If you want something else to really push this gift over the edge, I'm going to recommend this. It is the Disney Disguise Girls Disney Princess Tiana, or whatever princess you would like, accessory kit. Right now, this one is $6.91. That's a great price. These are normally $20. Even at $20, these are just the little finishing touches that truly make your little one feel like the ultimate princess. I think it's adorable. And like I said, just who wouldn't love that? I would love that. All right, last thing from Sam's Club that I'm gonna recommend is Disney gift cards. They do run sales on Disney gift cards. This is great if you are saving up for a trip, if you know someone that's coming to Disney in the future. Everyone can use a Disney gift card on their trip, and it's really great that you can get these on sale. How often are you able to get a discount on Disney? It just doesn't happen. I think it's just one of the ways that you can make your trip or somebody else's trip more affordable. Also, a perk of this, email delivery. So if you don't or can't ship something to somebody, an email delivery present is always a great way to go, and it saves you a little bit of wrapping. All right, fam, next we are moving this party over to Amazon. By now, most of us are Prime members, and even if you're not, a lot of these things ship really quickly. I know that sometimes the holidays just sneak up on you, and you need really great last-minute ideas that are gonna get to you and your family in time. So let's kick things off with Amazon selection number 1. This is something that I ordered for Courtney, and I'm so excited to give it to her. The unofficial Disney Parks Epcot Cookbook. From school bread in Norway to macaron ice cream sandwiches in France, 100 Epcot-inspired recipes for around the world. You guys, I have a little sneak peek of this on my TikTok if you want to see what it looks like inside. It is a gorgeous book. The cover is beautiful. It's a nice size, good quality hardback edition. Once again, If you can't be in Disney, it's a fun way to bring the magic home, a great project for you and your family to do together, to share in the magic in a special way. I'm so excited to give this to Courtney. I really think that she's going to love it. And the great thing is your free returns and really quick delivery on this. Okay, moving on to gift number 2. So I found this and I thought it was really cool. It is a vintage geodesic dome spaceship Earth patent prints. It's 4 8x10 unframed photos for wall art. Now I thought this was a really nice, minimalist, subtle way to bring some magic into your home through your decor. These would look gorgeous if you got them framed really well, put up. You could put them up even in your office, somewhere in your house. I'm all about finding ways to subtly bring Disney into my home, and I want it everywhere. I mean, I love it. And so I'm considering ordering these and framing them in my office. Just if you know somebody that's moved or has a space or just loves Disney, these are great. And you could get these, and if you, like I said, everything's pretty affordable, ships really quickly, it will get there before Christmas. And if you wanted to spend even more money, having these framed I think would be really nice. Okay, moving on to Amazon gift idea number 3. This is one from last year that's back again this year. It is one of my absolute favorite things in my at-home Disney collection. It is the Walt Disney Film Archives, the animated movies 1921 to 1968 40th edition book. This book is gorgeous. It's oversized. It looks incredible out, and it is a great, great read. There's so much incredible information, gorgeous photos inside. I love this. Whenever people come over that also love Disney, they want to grab it and look through it. It's a great coffee table book, looks great on the shelf. And like I said, it's an incredible read. This one is actually on almost clearance. You guys would, if you bought it now, you'd have it for $30 cheaper, I think, maybe even more than when I got it. Love it, can't recommend it enough. Okay, next selection is something that actually Courtney got for herself that I don't have that I would really like. It is the Art of Disney, the Golden Age collectible postcards. So inside this box, there are so many gorgeous postcards, and Courtney bought this, and what she did is got a collage frame, picked out a lot of the postcards that she liked and hung it up in Evangeline's room, and it was a really cool Disney art installation, so you could use it in that way as decor for your house, or you could use it as a way to send postcards to your friends and family that also love Disney throughout the year. They're beautiful, they look great up, and I don't know, I just love it, and I love snail mail, so I think it'd be a really fun, again, something to do. Sometimes the time after the holidays can be a little bit difficult, and I think having a project to start in the new year is a really nice gift. All right, next up, I saw this on TikTok and I was so excited. So if you have somebody who loves Disney and also makeup, I'm going to recommend you get the ColourPop Disney Midnight Masquerade palette. The colors in this I thought were gorgeous. I think this would be a great palette to pack to take to Disney and do some really gorgeous princess inspired looks. Good price, quick delivery. ColourPop for me has always been a great, reliable brand. I loved just the way the palette looks too. I would feel so special every time I opened it. So I think this would be a great selection for a makeup and Disney lover in your life. Holy moly, you all, this video was so fast. We're at our last one. Now the last thing that I want to suggest to you all is to get a Disney themed planner. There are tons on Amazon. I'm linking one that I found that I thought was really cute that is perfect for my personal preference. I ask for a planner every single year at Christmas. My life lives on paper. If I don't write everything down, I'm totally lost, and I love to have one at Christmas to get excited to use in the new year. This one is really nice, but like I said, there are tons. They ship really, really quickly, and it's just I use my planner every day, and I would love to have just a little pop of Disney in my day in that way. Okay, I have a bunch more ideas. If you guys need more, let me know if you liked this. I hope it was helpful. I love you guys so much. A special thank you as always to my live chat crew. You guys are the best. I hope you guys are having a really happy holiday season. If you want more Disney ideas, just comment down below. I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you next time right here on Alleyways. Bye!